Hi guys! In this video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use type commands and creating a simple automation scripts with this commands. In Hidemyacc Automation, the type command is used to simulate the behavior of entering text into the selected selector. First, you need to choose the selector into which you want to enter text. I will take the selector for the search bar on Etsy and paste it here. How to obtain the selector is explained in the instructional video for the click element command, which you can review. To input content, you have the following options. Manually enter the content or upload it from a text file. The system will input the content line by line from top to bottom or randomly, depending on your setup. You can also choose to fetch keywords from the keyword database of Google, Amazon, Etsy, or eBay on the Hidemyacc system. Depending on the website you are accessing, you can select the appropriate keyword database. In this case, Hidemyacc will randomly select keywords from Etsy. That's it for the steps to use the type command. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create a simple product search script on Etsy. You can add a wait command or wait navigation command before the type command to wait for Etsy to finish loading. Depending on the website, you may or may not need to add a click element command before the type command. For example, when creating an automation script for YouTube, you need to include a click element command to select the search bar selector before using the type command. After entering the text, you can either click on the magnifying glass icon or press enter to perform the search. However, if you want to look like as a real user, Hidemyacc will use the key press command to press the enter key. You add the swipe down and swipe up commands to scroll through the page after searching for keywords. You can rearrange the commands and run test the script. Hidemyacc's automation script can simulate mouse and keyboard actions very smoothly. The typing speed will be randomized from 100 milliseconds to 300 milliseconds. Finally, give your script a name, add tags, and save it, and you're done. In this video, Hidemyacc has just shown you how to use the type command and demonstrated a simple automation script using this command. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel to stay updated on important information. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Hidemyacc team via Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success.